Hey everyone, so about 1 year ago, we bought out one of our favorite stores, American Excellence, and this is an update to show you what we have left. If you remember, I had boxes of cars in almost every room of this basement. This is it. This is what's left. We bought 400 cars or so. We're down to about 125, 135 left. We've paused the eBay store for a little bit because, life happens, work and COVID and all that stuff, but we're going to be hitting up eBay pretty hard soon. So we've got a bunch of BOS cars left still. We've got a few Ram Chargers. All the cars in this room are already fixed, so we've got a few good Ram Chargers left. We still have another good Schuco Transporter. We've got, I think, one Ford Ranchero left. Got a lot of Lincoln, 1920s Lincolns and early 1930s Buicks, the Roadmasters. A lot of that kind of stuff left. So this room, that's pretty much about it. Got a few over here. But I mean, originally this room was entirely filled with cars. We have a few out here. I've got a few left to fix. These are all left to be fixed. And these are a lot of the Packard hearses and ambulances. It's like a stack of 8. Yeah, a whole bunch of ambulances and hearses. Few old Mopars. Bunch of CMF cars still left to fix. A few, pre-war Mercedes, things like that. A few other random, a few Bugattis. Couple Dodges, Oldsmobile 88, a few of these MCG cars, which are all a bunch of like old Rolls Royces. These two Sunstar Beetles I have to fix, and again a bunch more of these MCG Rolls Royces. So we've sold, about 250 cars in a year. I really thought we'd be out of cars by now, but obviously we are not. Without giving it too much away, we've done really well from this financially. It wasn't that large of an investment initially, and it's been fun. Profitable is good. Just means we're able to buy more cars. So keep an eye out on our eBay store. It's DWB F11, and in a week or so, we'll have a bunch more cars up. I've been contacted for things like Ram Chargers and Rancheros, and well, they'll be there. So that's it for this week. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.